In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted emails on Outlook on PC. If you've ever accidentally removed a message and panicked, don't worry. Outlook keeps deleted mail in a dedicated folder so you can review it. I'll walk you through exactly where to look and share a few simple tips to make the process smooth and quick. First, go to the Outlook app on your PC. Open it the same way you open your other programs. If you don't see it on your desktop or taskbar, use the Windows search bar and type Outlook, then launch the app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you use for email. These steps apply to the classic Outlook for Windows and the new Outlook experience. The folder names are the same. Even if you're using Outlook in a browser, what you're about to see will look very familiar. Once Outlook is open, click Mail. Outlook can show different areas like Mail, Calendar, or People, and you'll want to be in the Mail view. Depending on your version, you'll find the Mail icon either along the left side or at the bottom of the window. If you're not sure you're in the right place, look for your inbox and folder list. If you can see those, you're in Mail. Next in the folder list, click Deleted Items. This is the folder where Outlook moves messages when you delete them. It may also appear as trash or bin depending on your account type, but Deleted Items is the most common label. If you manage multiple email accounts in Outlook, each account has its own Deleted Items folder, so be sure you expand the correct account and select the right one. If you don't immediately see it, try scrolling, expanding the folder list, or hovering to reveal hidden sections. You'll now see all your deleted items. Think of this as a holding area. Emails sit here until they're permanently removed, either by you or by a retention policy set by your mailbox or organization. By default, the newest messages are usually at the top, so something you just deleted should be easy to spot. You can click any message to preview it in the reading pane and confirm it's the one you're looking for. If you're scanning a long list, use the search box and make sure it's set to search the current folder, then type a sender name, subject keyword, or phrase. Sorting by date, sender, or subject can also help you quickly narrow things down. If the folder looks empty, it may have been cleared recently, or there may simply be no items to show. That's it, open Outlook, switch to Mail, go to Deleted Items, and review your messages there. Pause the video and try it now so you remember exactly where to look next time.